Unveiling the Dawn, the beauty of morning has broken. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and evocative phrase that you might have heard in songs, poems, or everyday conversation. Morning has broken. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a wonderful layer to your English language skills. Let's explore together what it signifies and how you can use it in your own expressions. Morning has broken is a phrase that immediately conjures images of dawn, the start of a new day. But there's more to it than just a simple description of daybreak. This phrase is often used to celebrate the renewal, freshness, and hope that a new day brings. It suggests that the morning has arrived in all its glory, breaking the darkness of the night, and signifies a new beginning or a fresh start. Interestingly, morning has broken is not just a common phrase, it's also the title of a popular song that has added to its familiarity and usage. Beyond music, the phrase is used in literature and everyday language to emphasize the beauty and promise of a new day. It encapsulates a moment of peace, beauty, and new possibilities. The phrase carries deep symbolic meanings. Morning symbolizes light overcoming darkness, hope rising after despair, and life renewing itself. It's a powerful metaphor for personal renewal, optimism, and the endless cycle of beginnings and endings that define our lives. In many cultures, morning is a sacred time, a moment to appreciate the gift of a new day and the opportunities it brings. You can use "morning has broken" in various contexts to express joy, hope, or the beauty of nature. Whether in creative writing, daily conversation, or reflections on life, this phrase adds depth and emotion. It's especially poignant in moments of reflection or when expressing appreciation for the simple, yet profound, moments of life. We hope this exploration of "morning has broken" has illuminated its beauty and depth for you. Remember, the English language is rich with phrases that carry not just literal meanings but also deep, symbolic significance. Embracing these expressions can enhance your communication and help you see the world in a more nuanced way. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always look for the beauty in the everyday.